Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given that ramen works 5 days a week and 8 hours a day. Okay, and every day his daily wage is $184. Find his hourly wage rate. So each day he works 8 hours, right? So for part A, his hourly, that means each hour, how much is his wage? Is therefore equals to 184 divided by 8 hours, and that will give me the answer for how much he earns for every hour. He earns $23 for each hour. And for part B, what would then be his weekly wage? Meaning every week, how much does he earn? He works 5 days a week, so I'm going to just 184 for 1 day multiplied by 5 days because he works 5 days to give me the final wage rate, which would be $920. And we are done with this question. Thank you for watching this video and hope you like it. Let's move on to the next problem.